In this video, I'll show you how to back up your computer files to Google Drive. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. We're going to open up our web browser and we're going to go to Google Drive. To do that, what you have to do is click on this little icon on the top right. These are going to be all your Google apps. Then you're going to click on the Drive app. Once you're here, you're going to click on My Drive. This is going to be on your top left corner. And here is where you can upload files and organize your folders. To upload individual files, what you have to do is click on New. Then you're going to click on File Upload and you're going to select the file that you want to upload to Drive. Now, if what you're trying to do is to clean up your computer because you just have a lot of things in there and you need more space, what you're going to do is click on New and you're going to click on Folder Upload. This way, you're going to be able to select all the folders that you have on your computer and you can add them to your Google Drive account. To do that, just go ahead and select the folders that you want to add to your computer and then you can click Upload. As you can see, Drive is going to give you a warning telling you that they're going to upload all the files that you have in that specific folder. I'm going to go ahead and click on Upload and then you just have to wait until that's finished. To know how long that's going to take, you can check right here on the bottom right and it's going to show you how long it's going to take to upload. Once your files have been uploaded, you're going to be able to see them at the bottom and it's going to have a little checkbox that's green. One key thing that you need to keep in mind is that you only have 15 gigabytes of free storage per Google account. If your computer files are way too heavy and you need more storage, what you can do is just to purchase more on Google. And that's it. I hope this video helped.